What's up guys, Suway here, and for this video, I'll be showing you how to wash and take care of your microfiber towels. And of course, that includes your microfiber wash mitts. Alright, so let's get on to it. Microfiber towels are used everywhere. They are used in household, and of course automotive, and even on personal care. Like for example, body towels, face towels, and whatnot. Because they are excellent in holding dirt and moisture, or in other terms, they are great for cleaning. They are durable but not 100%, so we should know how to take care of them properly in order for them to perform well and last longer. So before I show you how to wash your microfiber towels, the first thing to do is segregate your towels or separate them for each use. For example, your drying towel, separate them from the rest of your towels. Then the towels that you use for polishing, separate them as well. And then the towels that you use for dirty areas, like for example, cleaning the wheels, separate them as well. We don't want to throw them all at once in the washing machine because that will cause cross-contamination. So for example, your polishing towels are heavily contaminated with polish. Imagine if they're not washed properly, then you throw them into the washing machine alongside with your drying towels. Whenever you dry your car with your drying towels, it's kind of causing some minor scratches because your drying towel contains some polishes. So we don't want that to happen. Make sure to segregate or separate your towels first. Alright, so after sorting your microfiber towels, depending on their purpose or use, it's time to throw your microfiber towels into the washing machine. So before you throw them, make sure to spread them apart like that. Open them up and then just throw it then into the washing machine. Now the very important part starts here. For your cleaner or detergent, you should be using liquid detergent that doesn't have fabric conditioner or any additives. Just a pure liquid detergent. Because if you use fabric conditioner, it will coat the fibers and that doesn't allow it to do its job, which is lifting up and picking up dirt. Now, if you use powder detergent, that will clog up the fibers and could cause scratches on your finishes. So that's the important thing. Just make sure to use liquid detergent and not fabric conditioner or powder detergent, and do not use bleach as well. Then now for the settings of the washing machine. So make sure to set it to towels or just a normal mode. And then for the water temperature, make sure to set it to cold or cool or lukewarm, semi-warm if your microfiber towels are kinda soiled or heavily soiled. But never ever use hot because microfiber towels are composed of polyamide and polyester, and those two are plastics, and we know that plastics melt at high temperatures. So for microfiber towels, they have a melting point of 140 degrees Fahrenheit or 60 degrees Celsius. So if they're exposed to high heat, the strands of the microfiber towels will start to get hard, and if they're hard, they could cause scratches on your finishes. So make sure to use cold water as much as possible. You could use lukewarm or semi-warm if they're kinda soiled. And of course, set extra rinse to yes so that it could really remove the dirt from your towels. Then for drying, just make sure to use cold air or the ambient temperature, but never use hot air. That's it. So once we're done washing, just grab your microfiber towel and then shake them off, because sometimes after the drying stage, the strands of the microfiber towels tends to compress together. You shake them off so that they'll separate, and your microfiber towel should feel fluffy after that. So once you're done doing that, just hang them on a rack and let them air dry, and never ever expose them to direct sunlight. So yeah, just never hang them outside, especially if it's windy, because it could pick up some small debris, like for example small pieces of leaves and twigs. So make sure you hang them somewhere safe where they could not pick up any kind of debris. And then after that, make sure to store your microfibers properly. Store them in a secured place where they could not pick up any sort of dirt. And there you have it. That's how you simply take care or wash your microfiber towels properly. So I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like and share this video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing by hitting that subscribe button down there. For the meantime, check out my other detailing videos at my channel, and I hope I'll see you on the next bit. So guys, thanks for watching.